Abby's eating it.
Feed the ducks.
Well, she's probably getting hungry.
Yeah. As soon as we're done with the park, we'll go play. We'll go eat. Uh-oh. Now we need a new piece of bread, Mommy.
No. Here, Abby. You're not getting her. Abby, look at Grandma a minute. You're supposed to be feeding the ducks, not you.
Tastes pretty good. Did you get rid of all that other bread yet already? Good.
Look, these guys have it so good here, they don't even care that you're throwing them bread.
Over there's one, Jackie. It's out of the water.
I tried to give it to him, but he kept walking away.
I'll put this in Abby feeding the ducks with a question mark.
There's one flying.
Blue.
There's another
They
one.
have blue wings. I guess they do have blue on their wings, don't they? It's okay, Abby. I'll feed them while you eat their